Once upon a time in the lush jungle, there lived a little monkey named Milo. Milo was a curious and playful monkey with a coat of soft brown fur and big round eyes that sparkled with mischief. One sunny day, Milo swung from vine to vine, exploring the vibrant world around him. As he hopped from branch to branch, he discovered a hidden path leading to a mysterious part of the jungle. In this magical corner, Milo stumbled upon a sparkling waterfall that shimmered like diamonds. Mesmerized, he decided to follow the gentle sound of trickling water and soon found himself in a secret grove filled with colorful flowers and tasty fruits. As Milo munched on a delicious banana, he noticed a friendly parrot perched on a nearby tree. The chatty parrot told Milo about a legendary tree deep in the jungle that bore the sweetest bananas in all the land. Excited by the prospect of even tastier treats, Milo thanked the parrot and embarked on a new adventure. Along the way, he made friends with a wise old turtle who shared tales of the jungle's history and secrets. After a thrilling journey, Milo finally reached the legendary banana tree. The branches were laden with the juiciest and most flavorful bananas he had ever seen.